गोंयांत कोल डेव्हलपर एजन्सी करतले. हाचो फायदो गोंयांक अदीक वीज मेळटली. गोंयांक सुमार 250 मेगावॉट वीज मेळटली. ही कोल डेव्हलपर एजन्सी IDC मार्फत जातली म्हूण हळडूणचो आमदार टिकलो हांणी म्हायती दिल्या. RDXGOA खातीर हळडूणच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Polo dillo, so first last time I remember. Okay. But now we got a new this thing allocation, the coal ministry, Ministry of Coal, and it's known as Trench 5, where we're supposed to sign an agreement. We have,
with coal ministry.
of course, with the approval of our government, and it's Trench 5 in Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah.
Okay, this is Madhya Pradesh, and there's a new application that is coming. Where by the third we have to do all formalities. That we will be putting it to the government again. Okay, to our Minister of Industry, that's Vijay Rani, and also to our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. So they will take a call in it. By third, with the new applications come recently. So yeah, already हमका दिल यहाँ सा. This not Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah, so where our person will be deputy to sign the agreement. See, we are only industry is media. Yeah, is already an agency will be appointed or should be appointed where he will. He'll be known as a coal developer.
But how Goa will benefit from that?
Goa will benefit. Will get so many megawatts, like
electricity.
Yeah, we'll get power. Megawatts will given, but 250 megawatts will be given. That is one of the benefits, and probably I'm not very clear. Probably there will be something also to the corporation. A small percentage will be on the corporation. Yeah, after all the thing is taken care by the center basically. So there are some government bodies all over the country where GoIDC is given this particular trench, and through GoIDC an agency will be appointed, a coal developer will be appointed, and that thing will be taken forward.
Earlier, Chhattisgarh it was renewed recently from
Chhattisgarh was the earlier whatever, but then it was stopped by the Supreme Court. A lot of things which everything nothing proceeded.
But recently, I think a few days back, it has been allotted back to Goa. I think.
No, not Chhattisgarh. MP as well, Madhya Pradesh.